Want to be financially secure? Well, don't rely on just one income stream. Today's economy is unpredictable, you know? Having multiple income sources provides a safety net. It's all about creating financial stability and peace of mind. Think of it like this. If one income stream dries up, you have others to fall back on. This reduces financial stress and gives you options. Imagine losing your job and not having to panic. Multiple income streams make that possible. Building multiple income streams is easier than you think, especially online. The internet offers endless opportunities to generate passive income. Whether it's selling products, offering services, or earning from your investments, the possibilities are vast. So don't wait for a financial crisis to strike. Start building your income streams today. It's an investment in your future financial security and freedom. Remember, every journey starts with a single step. Let's explore some proven strategies to generate income online. These methods have worked for others, and they can work for you too. Remember, success leaves clues. One popular method is affiliate marketing. Recommend products you love and earn a commission on each sale. It's a win-win. You help your audience find valuable products and you get rewarded for it. Another lucrative avenue is creating and selling digital products. These could be ebooks, online courses, or templates. The beauty of digital products is that they can be sold repeatedly without incurring additional production costs. If you possess specialized skills, consider freelance consulting. Offer your expertise in areas like writing, marketing, or web development. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect freelancers with potential clients globally. Let's delve deeper into two powerful online income streams: affiliate marketing and digital products. These methods offer flexibility, scalability, and the potential for passive income. Affiliate marketing is all about building trust and providing value. Choose products that align with your audience's interests and needs. Promote them authentically through blog posts, social media, or email marketing. Creating digital products requires identifying a problem your audience faces and offering a solution. Ebooks can share your knowledge. Online courses provide structured learning. And templates offer ready-to-use solutions. The key is to create high-quality products that deliver tangible results. Focus on providing exceptional value and exceeding customer expectations. Remember, word of mouth is your most powerful marketing tool. Freelancing offers a flexible and rewarding way to build multiple income streams online. Whether you're a writer, designer, or marketer, there's a demand for your skills. The first step is to identify your niche and target audience. What are you good at? Who needs your services? Once you know your strengths and target market, you can effectively position yourself. Next, create a strong online presence. Build a professional website or portfolio showcasing your expertise. Join freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr to connect with potential clients. Delivering exceptional work and building strong client relationships is crucial for freelance success. Over-deliver on projects, communicate effectively, and strive for client satisfaction. Positive reviews and referrals will help you secure more gigs. Countless individuals have achieved financial freedom through online income streams. Their stories are inspiring and demonstrate what's possible with dedication and hard work. Take Pat Flynn, founder of Smart Passive Income, for example. He transparently shares his income reports and strategies, inspiring aspiring entrepreneurs worldwide. His journey proves that building a successful online business is achievable for anyone. Another inspiring example is Michelle Schroeder-Gardner, the mastermind behind Making Sense of Sense. She teaches others how to make money blogging and has built a seven-figure business from her passion. These success stories highlight the potential of online income streams. They prove that with the right mindset, strategy, and effort, you can achieve your financial goals. Building multiple income streams online empowers you to take control of your finances and design your ideal lifestyle. It's not about getting rich quick. It's about creating sustainable income sources that provide security and freedom. Start by identifying your interests and skills. What are you passionate about? What do you excel at? These passions and talents can be monetized online. Next, Choose one strategy that resonates with you and take action. Don't get bogged down by analysis paralysis. Start small, experiment, and learn as you go. Remember, building multiple income streams is a journey. It requires effort, consistency, and a willingness to adapt. But the rewards, both financially and personally, are well worth it.